Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're going to do on this episode is give you guys a Cardano ADA price prediction. So if you get something out of this, like, comment, subscribe, and more importantly, what I would like for you each to do is put in the comment section, what is your Cardano price prediction? And that is going to be your price prediction for October. So end of October or peak of Cardano's price point this month. That's what we're doing. Okay. So I will talk about kind of what price point I believe Cardano will get into over the next couple months and maybe getting into next year as well. But specifically, I want to get into October's price prediction first. So it's price prediction for October, a little bit November, and maybe December as well. So guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Are we going to go in a bullish direction anyways, right? Anything could happen. So right now we are Monday, October 6th, 2025. I just did another video on Cardano, why I believe it's going to continue this bull run. But more importantly, you degenerate gamblers, you crazy freaking investors, all you care about are price predictions. And I get it because I love them too. I love them too. I want to know what the price of Cardano is going to be, every hour of the day, right? If I can get an update, that'd be great. I get them on my phone. So how do we assess this? Well, first off, let's go back here a little bit. Guys, Bitcoin, 125K. Sexy. You guys know Michael Saylor right now is getting a lot of DMs from a lot of beautiful women telling them how gorgeous he is, telling them, Bitcoin is the digital gold. Can I come out on your yacht? This guy's going to be a trillionaire before you know it. So, guys, with all that being said, Bitcoin is the driver for all this, right? When Bitcoin's doing well, the whole market's doing good. It is the digital gold. Bitcoin pumps. The rest of the alts hopefully follow. That is what's referred to as alt season. Cardano has not reached its previous all-time highs. Let me share something with you right here. Right? Not trying to get aggressive, just pointing at you guys. But this is what's going on. Ethereum, guys, shattered its all-time highs, right? Not by a lot, but it's done it. Just making sure. It's basically above its all-time highs right now. Solana, another good example, 230, right? That's probably around its previous all-time highs. 250, 230, yeah, 236. It's exactly where it was, peak of the market last cycle. So I think we're going to get higher than previous all-time highs. Now, if we get into BNB, okay, here's Binance coin, right? Look at this. Look at the chart. It's egregious. It looks like a scam. It's like $1,200. Why'd I swap all my BNB? I should have just held on. Whatever. So guys, we take a look at those layer one blockchains. Look at Cardano. It hasn't reached its previous all-time highs. A lot of this was hyped to their NFTs and to other things that were going to happen. Cardano has all these things that have happened. I think the price is being suppressed. This is, guys, we have Midnight coming out. Midnight. One of the biggest airdrops in the world. Bitcoin OS. You have Bitcoin DeFi, right? You've got NFTs. Smart contracts, they weren't a thing while all this was happening, right? On top of that, ETFs, specifically for Cardano. Big decisions being made for that. Proof of stake has been incredible. Very decentralized, right? Absolutely scalable. Transaction speeds, throughput, etc. So, guys, when Cardano goes, it's going to go. It's going to go. So, I'm going to give you guys my price prediction, peak of October. So, let's say alt season starts to creep up a little bit. Maybe we just continue to get a little bit bullish because Cardano hasn't moved yet. Once it does, and once it breaks above Yeah, we got to get to like market cap of 40 billion. So where are we at now? 31. So this is what I want to get into. Once Cardano breaks above $1, I think we're gonna start to really ramp it up a little bit. So we're gonna get this crazy move with ADA. I don't think people understand. Like, guys, Cardano has a lot of potential here. Okay, and let's get into some numbers here. Market cap, we're at 31. Okay, I've been talking about peak of the market, $7, $10. That's gonna take a little bit of time, unless money just begins to flow into ADA. There's ETFs. You have to be in right now, right? Nothing on this episode's financial advice. You guys do what you want, but you have to be in now. You guys have had so many opportunities to get in on ADA, but market cap wise, if we can break above $1, I could see us getting towards the 60 billion. So if we were to 2x the price now, right, we would be roughly $1.50 to $1.60 USD. That's what I think is very reasonable for October. And that's going to be my price prediction. Between $1.25, $1.60, I'm going to lean towards 160. $1.60. That's based on roughly a $60 billion market cap. Very feasible. Peak of the market last cycle, 93 billion. Guys, Bitcoin was at like 50 grand when that happened. Okay? People are going to get tired of Bitcoin. They're going to want to chase the next thing, right? We see this time and time again. So 160. 160, very reasonable for probably towards the end of October. Could be next week. Nobody knows. Getting into November, okay? So let's say we continue this. I think we can get to all-time highs in November. That could be mid-November, maybe even before. It really depends, right? I don't know what's going to happen, but I am planning on beginning to DCA out, right? If we get towards all-time highs, because I bought so much, my average buy price right now of Cardano is roughly 50 cents, okay? So I'm up now, which is good, but it took a long time to get back because I bought so much peak of the market last cycle. But guys, put in your comment, put in the comment section, what do you guys believe Cardano can get to? Guys, midnight's happening. On top of that, if you guys want an opportunity to win 1,000 ADA, we are doing our 1,000 ADA giveaway on our 1,000th block for the Hedge Stake pool. So if you guys want, definitely check that out. I'll share with you what it looks like on pool.pm. I have tutorials on this as well. So if you guys go to the channel, we have videos on how to enter that giveaway. Where is our 1,000 ADA giveaway? There. Win 1,000 ADA giveaway. You guys can watch that video and more. I really recommend it. So here, if you go to Hedge Stake Pool, only 158 delegates. So there's probably only a few of you that could really win this. So guys, get in here. You have the opportunity of a lifetime. If you get 1,000 ADA, if it goes back to $3 towards the end of the year, I mean, you guys have $3,000 just like that. So on top of that, online courses, whatever, use code Moose. Right now, I still dig my Tangent wallet. One of the best wallets. Even though I can't claim my Night tokens, it's okay. If you have money, get the Ledger Flex. All around, one of the GOATs. My Trezor Model T. Still love it. With that being said, guys, the Moose is loose. Take an online course. I'm not going to scam you like Ty Lopez. SEC is not investigating the Moose yet. He will. They probably will. Cheers, everybody.